Oh, hi there, Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to this Hbar video update. And if you have some background noises, just excuse me for that one. I'm outside right now, and it's kind of noisy out here, so let's let the tractor go. It's amazing that stupid tractor is out of the way. So at the moment, I do have something to talk about, and I saw that Hbar previously had this amazing. I'm going to show you the history a little bit here. When I was checking the technicals, I saw that this was it was more like a channel, but this channel has a special name called descending broadening wedge at the moment, and this also is available on the SPX. So I want to show you the SPX chart at the moment, and the SPX looks amazing, of course, and you can see on the daily time frame we have the very same similar channel, just like Hbar. And as far as I'm concerned, then Hbar is also looking, SPX is looking to go back to the all-time high, because the technical target says that when you break out of that descending broadening wedge, you go back to where you formed the wedge. So this is basically where the wedge was actually formed, and then we kind of went back to that wedge basically. So currently I see something amazing happening for Hbar, and that is, if I try to go back to the daily time frame, and I'm gonna actually shift into the 4-hour time frame at the moment, then you have this little bit of a pattern going on actually. So I'm just gonna zoom in there, and we're going to take the trend line there and place the trend line as well. So here we go, we have this trend line going on, and you can say that you have the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder here. It's only a matter of time if we can actually try to come up and try to break above it. But if you're not going to break above, because Bitcoin at the moment is a little bit overextended, right? So you got Bitcoin trading nearly $27,000 to $28,000, and that's a price that has been achieved after 9 months. So for Bitcoin, after 9 months you got $27,000. So that's pretty long time to wait. But then again, strong hands always get the benefit out of the market. Holding is something really important, and I think even the same thing goes for Hbar. You must be holding your coins. Don't sell your coins, which are good projects, man. Don't sell in a loss. So anyways, if you do come down, what I'm trying to say here is, if you do end up coming down, it's still okay. I think if you end up retracing down to 590 and then in the future try to break up, that would be amazing. So we might be talking about a technical target for Hbar to go from this place to that place. It's only a matter of breaking the neckline, and you can actually expect Hbar to go from there to there, and you're looking for just a pretty much 21% move to the upside out of this pattern. Now it can actually even be higher or something, I don't know. And let's go back into the daily time frame. You pretty much have a very big blood for Hbar, and it seems like you're quite oversold, by the way, on the daily time frame, because look at this. You got this one little bit of support. Yeah, the RSI does show that this is a very big support for Hbar, and it's time for Hbar on the daily to go back to the overbought area, because you've already come to this one support, second support, made a bloodbath here, made a bloodbath right over there as well. So maybe just one more push up on the RSI, one more push up on the prices. I do see this one actually happening for Hbar in the future. And maybe this is my first ever video about Hbar, I don't know, maybe, just maybe. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.